Everyone, and welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl Michelle, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get a really smooth blowout before I apply a protective style. Please continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up if you actually enjoyed the video. It was very helpful, but we're going to get into the video. So this is my first time actually using keracare thermal products. I am going to be giving you guys my honest opinion on the product. The results speak for itself, but I'm going to show you step by step how I actually got a smooth blowout. So I'm going to start off with the Pre-Poo Thermal Wonder Conditioner, and look how my comb is just going through my hair. Never have I ever had that happen to me using a product like this Pre-Poo conditioner ever before. I really love this stuff. I'm probably going to actually start to include this product, even though it says Thermal Wonder. I'm probably going to include it in my hair regimen. So after I rinsed out the Pre-Poo conditioner, and I did leave it in for 15 minutes like it instructed me to do, I did go in with the cream cleanser, and I really like that cream cleanser. It's very creamy. Their products are just very moisturizing due to the moringa and marula oil that's in it, and the glycerin as well, which my hair loves. But I don't have that clip for you guys. I am going to be taking that small ample amount of John Frieda hair serum oil, and this is just to once again give me some type of protection before I apply a hot tool on my hair. Afterwards, I'm taking the Thermal Wonder 6-in-1 heat protector, and I'm spraying this all over that section of my hair. I'm actually going to get in between the parts. Don't be afraid to actually lift it and get in the parts, because you want to make sure all of your strands are evenly coated and protected. Also for me, I like to go in detangling with a wide tooth comb. I find it to be a lot easier. I start with the ends, work my way up. You know the process. Come on, ladies. Let's not act like we never did this before. And then I'm going to take another detangling tool, and I'm going to go in with that as well, because the teeth are a lot smaller and dense, and I'm just going to double check just to make sure all of my strands are smooth, so that way when I blow my hair out, I'm not running across a lot of knots and tangles. Don't be afraid to get in your hair. Get in those sections. Work it, honey, because like I said, you want to see the results, you got to put in the work, okay? Period. Now I'm taking my lovely handless Red Kiss hair dryer, and I really like this dryer, and I use it on low, but I really like this dryer because honestly, when I used to have the hair dryer with the actual one that you hold your hand like a gun in a sense, I didn't like it because it always gave me really tensed up muscle aches from using it, and it didn't really get the hair as smooth as I wanted it to. Nothing against them, that's just my experience with them. I don't like using them anymore, but I really like this handheld handless dryer. I will leave all of those links in my description box below. These are the results. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed these results. It didn't really take a lot of effort, which I'm glad. Like I said, the right products actually help make the process a lot easier. And now please stay tuned, because I'm gonna have a video showing you guys how I actually did my knotless braids. I know you guys are excited about that. I'm excited about it. I did something a lot different with them, so I hope you guys also check out that video. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If it's informative, if you enjoy what I did, if you want to try it, please give it a thumbs up, save the video, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.